today's video, I will be making Hawaiian Mist Punch. You will need orange juice, small can of pineapple juice, a can of apricot nectar, and a can of ginger ale. On to the recipe. The first thing you will be doing is making the pumpkin-shaped ice cubes. This is actually a cake mold. Now, if you want to put some food coloring in here to change the color, or if you want to use your fruit punches and like that, you can do that too. You could actually do pop too. So if you want pop flavored ice cubes so you don't dilute your drink, you can do that. I already got it made, so now we'll be making the punch. The first thing I'll be adding is a can of pineapple juice. Get all the pineapple juice out. Next will be the apricot nectar. This is an easy punch to make. Get it all out of there. Ginger ale. I got a small can, but if you got a bigger punch bowl, you can do the normal size can. And we top it off with orange juice. The rest would be orange juice. I stir it up a little bit to make sure everything gets mixed in, because you want it perfectly blended. Now that it's mixed, now we get to pour it in a glass. Now I'll pour it in a glass. And I'm going to leave some room for the ice cube. I'll put my pumpkin-shaped ice cube in there. See? It looks good with the pumpkin-shaped ice cube in there. This is what it looks like when it's done. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.